Life is peaceful when everything is normal, isn't it? But what if humanity suddenly plunges into an apocalypse? Such thoughts often come up in our minds, don't they? In today's video, we will be addressing a similar thought. Imagine a scenario where the moon loses its cosmic grip and charges towards Earth. Brace yourself as we explore the horrific consequences of this celestial collision that may lead to the doomsday of humanity. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Imagine the unimaginable, the moon on a collision course with Earth. The impact would unleash an incredible amount of energy. The shockwaves from the collision would be felt across the entire planet. The moon's impact would send shockwaves through the Earth's crust, causing massive earthquakes that would be experienced globally. The collision would also release a tremendous amount of heat and energy, which would cause the Earth's mantle to melt. This molten rock would then rise to the surface and erupt from volcanoes, causing widespread destruction. These natural disasters would fully destroy the infrastructure. Tsunamis crash the land. One of the moon's key roles is regulating Earth's tides through gravitational forces. Without the moon, tidal patterns would be drastically altered. Tsunamis would be a regular occurrence when the moon collided with the Earth. Since the collision would generate huge energy, this energy would impact us in the form of tsunamis. These tsunamis would be very dangerous as the waves could rise up to more than 100 meters and would travel up to 1,000 kilometers per hour, destroying everything. People living near the coastal areas would be miserable as everything would be destroyed in an instant. However, cities and villages located away from the coast would also be flooded as rivers would swell and flood the cities. Additionally, we may also experience severe climatic changes. However, when the moon enters the Roche limit and shatters, the water will go back. Destruction via debris. Now the good news is that the moon wouldn't fully collide with the Earth because as soon as it enters the Roche limit, it will shatter to pieces. The Roche limit is the distance at which a celestial body is tidally disrupted by the gravitational pull of another more massive body. For the moon, the Roche limit is about 18,470 kilometers or 11,470 miles from Earth. The debris would float in the Earth's atmosphere like the rings around Saturn. This would impact Earth's atmosphere. The debris and dust kicked up by the impact would obscure the sun, leading to a phenomenon similar to a nuclear winter. Since the sunlight would be significantly reduced, the temperatures would drop globally. This sudden and dramatic change in climate would have severe consequences for all life on Earth. As we wrap up, the moon's collision with the Earth would make it inhabitable for any life. Not to mention the fact that the series of natural disasters from this collision would leave a very small percentage of survivors. That too is a very rare case. But the possibility that this event might take place looks to be rare, as many scientists claim that the moon is drifting away from the Earth. Repeated measurements showed us that the moon is currently moving away from us at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters or 1.5 inches per year. We hope that you gain valuable knowledge from this video. Thanks for watching.